Here are a few useful tips for the home. Spread essential oil on a wooden clothespin to freshen up your closet. Fabric softener is not only for the washing machine. Dilute in hot water to make the perfect mixture for cleaning wood furniture. They will be polished and smell great. Try on your curtains. Linens can take up a lot of space in your drawers. Save space using this method. A quick and easy space-saving trick. When you cook legumes, does the water overflow? Create a barrier with olive oil. Incredible! The foam stays down. Here is a quick solution for rust stains. Pour soda onto it and scrub. Wow! Good as new! Don't waste time. Take the measurements using toothpaste. In no time, you will find where you need to put the nails. Easy! Here's a method for keeping food fresh in the pantry. Useful!